नमस्कार. पीवायक्यूच्या आजच्या भागामध्ये तुम्हा सर्वांचं स्वागत आहे. सध्या आपण इफेक्ट्स ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक करंट या चॅप्टरवरील पीवायक्यूज पाहत आहोत. करूयात सुरुवात. क्वेश्चन आहे, फाइंड द ऑड वन आउट. लाऊडस्पीकर, मायक्रोफोन, इलेक्ट्रिक मोटर अँड मॅग्नेट. तर इथे याच्यामधला जो वेगळा घटक आहे तो आहे मॅग्नेट, बिकॉज मॅग्नेट इज नॉट बेस्ड ऑन इलेक्ट्रोमॅग्नेटिझम, while the other devices, loudspeaker, microphone, and electric motor, are based on electromagnetism. Give scientific reasons. For electric power transmission, copper and aluminum wire is used. So first, copper and aluminum contain a large number of free electrons. These free electrons can move throughout conductor easily. This results into copper and aluminum having low values of resistivity. Thus, copper and aluminum are good conductors of electricity. Observe the following diagram and answer the questions given below. First question is, identify the above diagram. So it is the diagram of electric generator. B. Write the principle on which the above appliance works. Principle is Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. C. Write the working of the above appliance. So the axle is rotated with the help of machine from outside. The coil ABCD starts rotating. On rotating the axle, branch AB moves upward and branch CD moves downwards. Hence, coil ABCD rotates clockwise. According to Fleming's right hand rule, electric current flows in the direction first A to B, B to C, and C to D. The galvanometer attached shows a deflection. After half rotation, the branch AB and CD exchange their positions and the induced current flows as reverse D to C, C to B, and B to A. Last question is where this appliance is used. So it is used in an electric motor. Observe the given figure of Fleming's left hand rule and write the labels of A and B. So A is a magnetic field and B is current. State true or false. An electric motor converts mechanical energy into electrical energy. It is a false. An electric motor actually converts electrical energy into mechanical energy. When electric current is passed through the solenoid, it shows magnetic lines of force similar to a bar magnet because both have poles on either side. Scientific reason. It is necessary to connect earth wires in home electric connection. Reason is earth wire is used as a safety measure in an electrical circuit. It provides a low resistance path for any leakage current to flow directly to the ground and prevent from dangerous electric shock. Hence, it is necessary to connect earth wires in home electric connection. If I is the current flowing continuously through the circuit, the heat produced in the resistor R in time t will be option number C, I square R into T. Observe the diagrams and answer the questions. First question is, which effect of electric current is shown in the above figure? So it is magnetic effect of electric current. B. What will happen if the number of electric cells increase on the magnetic needle? The deflection of the magnetic needle will increase. जेवढ्या सेल्सचं प्रमाण वाढत जाईल तितकं ते डिफ्लेक्शन जे आहे ते सुद्धा वाढत जाईल. सी. If the distance between the conductor and magnetic needle is increased, what will be the effect on intensity of magnetic field? The intensity of the magnetic field will decrease and hence the reflection of the magnetic needle will also decrease. If the ends of electric cell are interchanged, what will be the effect of the magnetic needle? Magnetic needle will be deflected in the opposite sense. Write the names of any two instruments which work on magnetic effect of electric current. They are electric motor and electric Bell. Distinguish between alternating current and direct current. Alternating current. Magnitude of alternating current vary continuously. It is not vary, it is varies म्हणजे बदलत राहते. Direction reverses periodically. This type of current is used in electrical household appliances such as electric motor, refrigerator. Frequency of alternating current in India is 50 Hz. यावर एक ट्रू आणि फॉल्स यामध्ये सुद्धा एक क्वेश्चन आलेला आहे. सेम सेंटेन्स आहे त्यामध्ये. दिस करंट इज प्रोड्युस्ड बाय AC जनरेटर. Direct current. Magnitude of direct current from a source remains same. It does not varies or changes. Direction remains same. It is not reverses periodically. Not used much for household purposes, but it is used in batteries, torches, etc. Frequency of direct current is 0 and a frequency of alternating current is 50. It is produced by DC generator. Read the given passage and answer the following questions. पॅसेज दिलेला आहे आणि त्यावर आधारित खाली प्रश्न दिलेले आहेत. फर्स्ट, नेम द टू वायर्स हॅव्हिंग पोटेन्शियल डिफरन्स ऑफ 220 व्होल्ट. याचा आन्सर पॅरेग्राफमध्ये फर्स्ट आणि सेकंड लाईनमध्ये दिलेला आहे. द लाईव्ह अँड द न्यूट्रल वायर्स हॅव पोटेन्शियल डिफरन्स ऑफ 220 व्होल्ट. Second, what is short circuit? So it is an electrical short circuit happens when there is an unintended connection between 2 points in an electrical circuit. Write the function of fuse. To protect electrical equipment from excessive current and to prevent short circuits. धन्यवाद.